Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Lodge 10-inch cast iron skillet. I'll be sharing my first impressions and the specs so you can decide if the skillet is right for you. Lodge skillets come in a variety of sizes. They have a 12-inch, 10-inch, 8-inch, 6-inch, and even a 3.5-inch skillet. This is a 10.25-inch skillet. It comes pre-seasoned, so it's ready to use right out of the box. I chose a 10-inch because I wanted the size of the 12-inch but a slightly lighter skillet. Also, I wanted an affordable skillet as my first one to try out. At $30 Canadian, it is a much better value than the $50 12-inch skillet. It's small enough to be more manageable, but also big enough to cook steaks. My first impression out of the box was the weight. This skillet is much heavier than I anticipated, coming in at 2.35 kilos or just over 5 pounds. I can lift it with one hand, but flipping burgers is out of the question. It does have a small handle on the other end, so you can carry it with two hands. It also has two pour spouts, which you can use when pouring out pan sauces or oil. It does come pre-seasoned, however, my research has informed me that this is bare minimum seasoning. As suggested, I will be seasoning the skillet before using it. In case you're confused and you don't know what I'm talking about, no, seasoning is not adding salt and pepper to your skillet. Cast iron skillets need to be baked with oil so they can resist the rust and become non-stick. This is called seasoning. If you'd like to see how I did this, watch my video on seasoning a cast iron skillet. The Lodge skillet comes with an infographic showing basic information and care and storage instructions. On the back, it has a Lodge stamp and a USA stamp to show that it's made in the USA. Since the skillet is all cast iron, it is safe to use on a stovetop, in the oven, on a barbecue, and even on an open fire. But be careful to use oven mitts or a kitchen towel when handling it. This one doesn't come with a silicone handle, but it is available to purchase on Amazon. I'll leave the link below with the correct size. This skillet comes in at exactly 10.25 inches. The inner diameter is 8.5 inches and the handle is 5 inches long and non-removable. The skillet has a nice shiny black lacquer finish, which is due to the seasoning. The finishes around the edges are a little rough due to the manufacturing practices. My skillet had a little chip in the seasoning on the handle, but this will be fixed when I re-season it. The surface is not smooth, it does have a texture. Again, this is due to the manufacturing techniques used to keep the costs low. There are hand-finished skillets out there with smoother surfaces. However, you will be paying 5 times or more for these. I think this is a great starter skillet. It's a great value from a trusted brand that's been around for decades. It is not the most luxurious skillet out there, however, it is very sturdy and a great quality. In the end, it will function just as good as any other one on the market. If you're looking for an affordable, good quality cast iron skillet, I recommend the Lodge skillet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, bye!